Have you ever heard of the woman who quietly saved billions of people? This is the incredible and almost forgotten story of Henrietta Lacks. In 1951, Henrietta was a young African-American mother of 5, living a simple life on a tobacco farm in Baltimore. One day, after experiencing severe pain, she went to Johns Hopkins Hospital, one of the few places that would treat black patients at the time. The diagnosis was devastating: a malignant tumor on her cervix. She immediately began the painful and difficult cancer treatments of that era. During one of her treatments, doctors took a small sample of her tumor cells for research. Now, back then, scientists faced a huge problem. Human cells always died within a few hours in a lab dish. This made long-term studies impossible. But with Henrietta's cells, something astonishing happened. They didn't die. In fact, they grew. They doubled every 24 hours. They just kept dividing and dividing and dividing. They became the very first immortal human cell line ever discovered. Scientists named them HeLa cells, using the first 2 letters of her first and last names. For the first time in history, scientists had a reliable, endless supply of human cells to study. This single discovery unlocked a new era in medicine. HeLa cells were absolutely crucial in developing the polio vaccine, which saved millions of children. They were used to create the HPV vaccine, which prevents the very cancer that took Henrietta's life. They've been essential in cancer research, AIDS research, cloning, in vitro fertilization, gene mapping, and even in developing treatments for COVID-19. Think about that. Over 50 million metric tons of her cells have been grown in labs all over the globe, leading to breakthroughs that have saved countless lives. But here's the most heartbreaking part of the story. Henrietta Lacks never knew the impact she would have. She passed away in 1951, just months after her diagnosis. At the age of 31, her family didn't even know her cells were still alive, let alone changing the world, until more than 20 years later. Her story raises important questions about ethics and consent in medical research. Today, we remember and honor Henrietta Lacks, not just for her immortal cells, but for the woman behind the science. She is, without a doubt, one of the most important figures in modern medicine. The mother who, unknowingly, gave the world a gift that keeps on giving. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as powerful as I did, please like this video and subscribe for more incredible stories from history.